So the other steps can obviously apply to QGIS anywhere, but this one's very specific to us at LCECO. And that is how to get our map templates into QGIS. There's a couple of steps to this. So we're going to start off, we're here in Microsoft Teams. We're signed into Teams on the computer. We've also got OneDrive syncing up to the computer. If you need to know how to do this, I mean, it should be automatic actually. If you need to know how to do this, come and catch me. But yeah, it should be automatic. Your files should be automatically backed up to your computer. And now we're in Teams. So we're going to go to the overall LCECO team, and we're going to go on General. And in there, we're going to go on Files. In Files, we're looking for LCES Training, which is here. And under that, we're looking for QGIS. Within QGIS, we found a folder called QGIS Templates. And in there are all of the different templates that we need. So you could download these to your computer, but anytime we do any kind of update and change anything, none of these will be valid anymore. So what we're going to do instead is we're going to have a shortcut to our OneDrive, which means that from QGIS, whatever template we're accessing will be the latest template. So there won't be any old ones there unless you try really hard. So what we're going to do, we're going to add a shortcut, which is up here at the top. It says add shortcut to OneDrive. And it's pretty much as simple as that. If I go onto my OneDrive, takes a little while to come through, but not too long. This is my documents, obviously. Here I've got my OneDrive folder, and now added is QGIS Templates, which is the same folder that we've got here. And that's a live folder, so any changes that happen in here will copy across to there. So please don't delete anything, because otherwise it's gone. But those are now accessible from this computer. So if I go into QGIS, which is down here, I'm going to go to export this as a map. We're going to go that one there. At the minute it's blank, we've got no maps to export. We're going to go to specific, the little 3 dots in a row down here, and we're going to find, there's our OneDrive, there's our QGIS templates, and there are our templates. So we're going to go for Portrait A4. Create. I'm going to call it test because it's nothing special. And there we go, that's the latest template. The ones in that folder will always be the latest template. So that's nice and easy. Now you can drop in your scale bar, change your legend, zoom your map where you need it. The legend has got the copyright information for Google Satellite. If you are adding anything else, such as OS maps or anything else, you'll need to add in the relevant copyright for them. Simple enough. You'll also need to change this little box down here. So if I just make this bigger so we can see. There we go. Site name and map info, those are the ones you need to change. So site name, obviously where you're working, map info, what's on the map. The other ones, try to avoid them if you can. The draft bit, obviously you can take that out if you need to. But this section here where it says date, will automatically have the date on that you export that map. And this little bit down here, a little complicated looking thing, is your initials. Now it'll automatically update that, to the username of the computer you're working on. So whoever exports it, it'll have their initials on it. And that will do that automatically, and you won't need to change it. So it's just kind of to ensure that it's there's traceability there. So please don't take that out unless you have to, because it's a nice automatic update, which is good.